whispers in the evening air, stories spun with unaware care. In a world where shadows blend, where unlikely tales ascend, a nightingale takes flight alone, facing a bare unknown. Feathers flutter, courage ignites against the odds, defying heights. What's more rare, a songbird's dare, or a beast caught unaware. Oh, the world's strange dance, so wild, so deep, where dreams and fears collide and leap. Nightingale fighting a bear on the run, unlikely stories spun just for fun. In distant lands with war's grim too, Russia's shadow looms a looming. Ukraine stands with grit and grace, holding ground, a fierce face, ropes tied and